How to fix gallery video not playing problem. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can solve if your gallery videos are not playing on Android. The first thing you want to do is launch open settings. Now scroll down and tap on apps. Then a list of all the applications will be shown over here. Scroll down and find gallery, select that. Now you want to select storage from here. Tap on the option clear cache. After that, head back. Now tap on the option force stop. Tap on OK. Once that is done, you want to head back. Now tap on these three dots. Here, find the option of reset app preferences. Go ahead and select that. Now tap on the reset option. Once that is done, you want to restart your device. Go ahead and tap on the restart option. After your device has been restarted, select any video and this issue will be fixed. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.